Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to explain you about how to prepare mind maps using Mindomo app. Mind map is a very useful and important tool in our teaching learning process. We can create different types of mind maps to help student learn in a better manner. These mind maps are very much useful for students also when they are doing revision prior to their examination, because using this mind map software we can create different types of mind maps, and with the help of those mind maps we will be able to elaborate our topic in a very simple and easy manner. So let's continue how to prepare mind maps using Mindomo app. So first of all, you all are requested to download Mindomo app from Play Store. Now I will start demo how to create Mindomo mind map. For this purpose, you need to open Mindomo app in your mobile. Now you can see at right side top, you can see at bottom right side plus sign is there, and that sign is for creation of new mind map. So now I will click on that plus sign, then it is asking me create a new map, choose a template and create a new folder. So I will click on create a new map. Now it is asking the name of the map. So I will give the name e content and I will click on create. Now I can start by adding my topics. So this is the first central topic. The main idea of my mind map is e-content. So I will type e-content. To make further, you can see there are two symbols plus. The plus symbol is, I will just click on this plus, then you see one more option is there. If again I will click on e-content, then plus, then second option is coming. So this is how you can go and prepare your mind maps. So again I will type in this main topic under e-content video software. Again I want to give subtopic, so I will click on plus. I want 3-4 subtopics, so plus, I will click on plus. Now I am typing open broadcaster software. Again here I can type voice over PPT. Here I can type screen recording. Again I will go back and here I will type audio in subtopic audio podcast. Again if I want one more subtopic, I will click on audio and this plus sign. Audio editor. Again if I want some topics, for main topic I will click on e-content and plus sign, and for subtopic I will click on that subtopic and plus content, like this. So this is how you can elaborate your mind map in a very well or better manner. Again, I will type something about presentation tools, and in subtopic PowerPoint presentation. So like this you can make your own mind map. For the purpose of saving this mind map, you just need to click on this arrow at top left side. There is backward arrow. You just need to click on the backward arrow and your mind map is getting saved. You can see here 3 mind maps are there and my e-content mind map is there. So I will show you the same mind map developed by me, and I am opening this. So this is how you can make your mind maps. In this mind maps you can see the main content is given as e-content. Main topic is e-content. Then in video, what are the options available I have given. In Google, what are the options are there. In audio, visualization aid, quiz, licensing. So this is how you can make mind maps for your topics which are included in your syllabus. This will help student to learn and understand in a better way. Also, we can make mind map of a particular unit or particular topic. So when students are doing revision prior to examination, there is no need to write or to go through entire notes. They can just view this mind map and their revision can be done. So this is how we can use Mindomo software for preparation of mind maps. Thank you.